I couldn't really attest to the veracity of the whole chismis because iba-iba yung conflicting reports yung nakukuha ko eh. Pero suffice to say, for Miss Panama to be removed in the competition means mabigat talaga yung pagkakamali niya. Kasi kung simple catfight lang yan or simple misunderstanding lang yan between Miss Panama and Miss Dominican Republic, madali lang remedyohan yan. Probably ilipat ng roommate yung isa sa kanila
Right.
para magkaiwasan muna sila. But for Panama to be really removed in the competition at the parang a day or two after she arrived means talagang mabigat yung naging nagawa niya talaga. And ako naman, reflecting on what happened, mabuti na lang din na parang ginawa na yon talaga ng Miss Universe organization para wala ng girls ang sumunod pa kay
Yes.
Panama. Para next year, kapag may mga mag-a-attempt ng mga girls na gumawa ng, alam mo yung mag-rent ng room separately, to do her own makeup, to meet with her boyfriend, etc. for whatever reason, eh talagang ground for dismissal ka na kaagad. Kasi talagang, it only goes to show that the Miss Universe organization is really strict in implementing its rules and regulations.
Which
Ba,
is
ang pwede lang mag-makeup lang sa'yo ay yung kanilang
official.
sponsor, which is apparently Seito Cosmetics. So,
Right.
kapag nakita ka nilang nagpa-makeup sa outside party na hindi nila alam, that's really a mortal sin. And yun yung narinig ko ha.